What's up, everybody? Bluminati Ninja coming at you back from the dojo. We've got some knife dope. That's right, this is coming in from Puerto Rican with a Knife, aka Knife Dope, over on YouTube. He is also part of the Lefty Pass Around group, which is where this comes from. Let's see what we got in the box. Got a little bitty pelican case. This is coming from Tack Knives, tackknivesusa.com. See if you guys can read that. Probably need to wipe the lens on my camera. Let me pause that. And we're back. Hopefully that looks a little bit clearer. Let's see. Tackknivesusa.com. So what do we got in here? We got an OTF. Look there. Ladies and germs, I present to you the TacCom Vigor. Look at that. See if you can see the TacCom logo there on the clip. As you can see, this is an OTF. This is OEM'd by Best Tech, and the blade steel on this bad boy is 154 cm. It has an aluminum body with a G10 top scale. Coming in at 170 bucks. Comes in this really cool little pelican case looking deal. Got some extra screws. Action, really nice. That thing hits. Not really any problem actuating it left or right-handed. Looks like the clip is one-sided, so no lefty love there. Definitely a nice little one-hander for me. Smaller OTF. As per request from Blue. Hiya! There's my ninja. Hey! This thing feels nice and sharp. See if I can find me a piece of paper here. We don't need no stinking warranty. Oop. Look at that. Nice and slicey. Very nice. Works very nicely on paper there. I've got some cardboard here. We can try that out as you listen how to annoy your co-workers. This cardboard slaying brought to you by Pepsi. Diet Pepsi, because your boy Bluminati is a diabetic. Very nice, nice. Chows down through that. Said this is the TacCom Vigor. 154 cm blade steel, aluminum, G10, Best Tech. 170 bucks. Your ninja's favorite little buddy, Tiny Tanto. Let's see. Get my jeans here. Test the pocket clip. Fits just dandy. Goes in and out fairly easy. My size 50 jeans. That's even a 5th pocket carry for me. Let's see what kind of weight we got on this little boy. This little bad boy. That case is really dope. I like that. Turning on the Bluminati scale of indifference. We've got 2.815 ounces. So it's nice and light. Definitely a cool little blade. Want to take a look at it against some of the other folks your boy Bluminati carries. We got a PM3, As you can see, it's just a little bit longer with the blade than the PM3. We've got a Manix 2. Manix 2 is a little bit bigger than it. We got the PM2. It's definitely smaller than it. What else have I got handy to show it up against? Got a button lock raccoon. We got a Tempest Knives pinion. So as you can see, it's a little smaller than just about everything except for the PM3. Bust out my little measuring device. High-tech Stanley tape measure. I need to pull up the website and see if my measurements are anything close to what they're saying it is. It looks like we got about a 3 1/4 inch blade. Got about a 4 1/2 inch handle. Very nice, very nice. I'm digging it, guys. Remember, know your local life laws. Life laws. Your local knife laws. I have many life flaws. And some might say my taste in knives would be one of those flaws. That's neither here nor there. And really, come on. Come on. Definitely check this one out, guys. I'm totally digging this one. Tapcom Vigor. Definitely a winner in my books. Thanks to Lefty for passing this one around. Don't forget to check out all the awesome folks over at the EDC Roundtable. Get you some awesome leather, hanks, beard care, pocket jank, and custom knives from all the members over there at the EDC Roundtable. Don't forget to hit up Make Peace with Police, because here at Bluminati Ninja's Dojo, we back the blue. We also back our military. We've got lots of love for all you guys. Anybody putting on a uniform to protect us, you guys rock. WickedJester.com. Stop over there, get you some kick-ass shirts, guys. Code Bluminati saves you 20% off your order. Tell Luke I said hi. All the awesome folks over on the Instagram. You got Tri-State River Valley Creations. Get you some awesome stickers from Miss Kara. You got Mateo, M-Bomb Jerky. Some delicious meat treats. You've got some awesome paracord products from Alicord Paracord, aka Alice. And of course, nebuQloud, who has some really wicked cool crystal skulls. Definitely hit up all those folks. And with that, Bluminati Ninja signing off. Peace.